Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M5S, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, all you want to do is open up your dialer application right over here and tap on the three dots, choose settings and select contact management, and from here select import from SIM card. This will then show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default, they will all be selected, so if you don't want all of the contacts, you can deselect them by tapping on it. And once you have selected or chosen the contacts that you do want, I can simply click right here, export to phone, and voila! As you can see, now we have contacts on our phone. And when you pop out the SIM card, the duplicate contacts will disappear. You can kind of define which ones are on the phone and which ones are not. The ones with this SIM card icon right here are the ones that are just deliberately on the SIM card, and when you remove it, as you can see, they just disappear. So anyway, that is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.